this video I'm going to show you how to say I'm able to and I'm not able to in the past, present and future tense, and I'll give you sample phrases to help. But before we start, I'd like to give a quick mention to my Patreon page, which I've just set up. If you would like to support me by Patreon and help me to dedicate more time to this channel, I'd really appreciate it. Special thanks to my first two patrons, Tommy Dahill and Michael McFadden. Really appreciate the support. Thank you. Anyway, back to this video on saying able to and not able to. A lot of people would say able to say I'm able to or unable to. So, for example, bhí sé ábailte cuidiú liom. He was able to help me. Bhí sé ábailte cuidiú liom. That's probably the most common way of saying it, and it's absolutely fine to use ábailte. But I want to show you a different way of saying it, and that's by putting these two words together in ann. In ann. Let's look at some sample phrases now that's going to help illustrate this better. Ní raibh mé in ann a dhéanamh. I wasn't able to do it. Ní raibh mé in ann a dhéanamh. Bhí mé in ann freastal ar an obair. I was able to attend to the work. Bhí mé in ann freastal ar an obair. So that's the past tense. Let's move on to the present tense now. Níl mé in ann an car a eicáil. I am not able to see the car. Níl mé in ann an car a eicáil. Tá mé in ann a eicáil. I am able to see her. Tá mé in ann a eicáil. So that's the present tense. Let's move on to the future tense now. Ní bheidh mé in ann ghlacha leis. I will not be able to accept it. Ní bheidh mé in ann ghlacha leis. Beidh mé in ann dul chuig an gcruinniú. I will be able to go to the meeting. Beidh mé in ann dul chuig an gcruinniú. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Slán go fóill.